So we're gonna have... Good morning and welcome to What I Eat in a Day. Today I'm going to show you everything I eat and we're going to learn some English about food. We're going to learn some really common food English and you're going to learn it in a really good, easy way because I'm just going to vlog what I eat today. So let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. So I'm actually a bit of a creature of habit. I really like having very similar food most days. So this is the breakfast I have every single day and I don't get bored of it. So we've got Greek yogurt. I'm gonna do Greek yogurt with almond butter. Ooh, I love almond butter. Let me show you. We're gonna have, disaster, oh no! That is not what I wanted at all. Gosh, oh no, I fully split it all. To start my day then, I'm just going to transfer all this Greek yogurt into this. Bear with me a second. Promise we'll get to a what I eat in a day video very shortly. I'm very clumsy. If that didn't show you that I'm a clumsy person, I don't know what will. I have no coordination. I often drop things. Very, very clumsy. Okay, so that wasn't quite the glamorous opening of a video I wanted, but that's fine. So what I normally do for breakfast is I normally get a bowl. Watch out for the pronunciation of that word, by the way. Bowl, not bowel. Very different thing. And then I still have a little bit of yogurt in this one, so I get some Greek yogurt in a bowl. I just like Greek yogurt because it's very filling. It's very filling. It keeps me full for a long time. And I think that's what you want with breakfast. You want to feel full for a long time. I don't want to eat breakfast and then 2 seconds later, oh, I'm hungry again. So I have my Greek yogurt in a bowl. It doesn't look very appetizing right now, but I need an apple and I also need some almond butter. So I get a good scoop of almond butter and so I add that in there. Then I mix it all in there. Mix. Then I chop the apple up. I chop it up. Or I cut the apple into smaller pieces, or I cut the apple into chunks. So we can often talk about food in chunks. So a chunk is a non-specified measurement. I'm not measuring these. That's just a chunk of apple, you know? And I don't use the core of the apple. I don't need the core. I don't want the seeds. Or in the UK, we call seeds pips. I don't know whether that's just a UK thing, but when I was younger, I would always say, "Ooh, Mum, I want an orange, but I don't want an orange with any pips in it." Then I mix all that together so that the apple is evenly spread throughout the thing. And then to finish it off, I just top it with some blueberries. Sprinkle some blueberries on the top. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go eat it. Oh, I need a coffee. I haven't made myself a coffee. Oh, clearly the yogurt just threw me off. We've decorated for Christmas, which is very exciting. But yes, I've got my Greek yogurt bowl with my blueberries. Tuck in. Okay, it's now later in the day. It's time for lunch. I really enjoy lunch. Most weekdays I just have a salad. It's really, really boring. Most weekdays I just have a salad, but it's a Saturday. So I'm going to have possibly one of my favorite foods ever. Let me show you. I'm actually really excited for this because it's the beginning of the Christmas season. So now I have complete free reign to eat as much turkey and cranberry sauce as I want. That is my favorite combination of anything. In the UK in particular, Christmas dinner involves a turkey. Big turkey with cranberry sauce and gravy. It is phenomenal. That mixture of savoury with sweet, I just love it. I've always liked having like meat and then a sweet sauce on it. So like duck in orange sauce, chicken in lemon sauce, you know, that combination. So I'm going to make a bagel with turkey, butter and cranberry sauce. It's really simple, but I think it might be my favourite food of all time. Okay, so I'm going to make my bagel. I'm going to toast my bagel. These are the protein bagels. They've got seeds on them. I just like it. So I'm going to toast these, put some turkey in it, and then put some cranberry sauce on it. Oh my goodness. Take a look, by the way, at my butter dish. How sweet is this butter dish? Little things like this bring me so much joy. So this is my butter dish, and inside we have some butter, obviously. I know it might seem really simple and silly, but a turkey bagel with cranberry sauce. I can eat this every day for the rest of my life, and I'll be happy. I'll be honest, the rest of my plate is a little bit random, but sometimes I like random things on a plate, you know, different tastes. So obviously we've got a banana. God, I will like having fruit. I like having fruit and normally vegetables. I normally have a salad, but on a Saturday, whatever. I also have a little cheese. It's like a little Baby Bell cheese, because they're really tasty. And then I've got this little marshmallow chocolate bar. So it's marshmallow wrapped in chocolate, because I am a big believer of, I really want to live a lifestyle where I go to the gym and I eat consciously. Like I always think about eating the healthiest possible stuff, you know, like good ingredients, and trying to go low processed as much as I can, she says, with the big processed cheese. But I do that so I can treat myself when I want to a chocolate bar, because what is life if you never treat yourself to a chocolate bar? Okay, so it's later in the day. It is dark outside now, so we know it's winter, and I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make something a little bit crazy. So I saw this one time on Instagram and I tried it and I really liked it. So don't knock it until you've tried it. There's a good idiom. Don't knock it, don't judge it, don't criticize it before you've actually tried it. So what we're making is, we're going to take cornflakes, which are like a breakfast cereal. So they're just very simple cornflakes, a breakfast cereal, there you go. And I'm going to crush them. So I'm going to put them into a plastic bag and I'm going to crush them like that, crush them into very fine little pieces, into a fine powder. Then I'm going to coat some chicken in the cornflakes. So I'm going to cover the chicken pieces in the cornflakes. So I'm going to do flour, egg, cornflakes. So it makes like a crispy outside. And then I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So it's like a healthier version of fried chicken. So instead of doing like oil and frying stuff, we use cornflakes. And then I'm going to do it with some fried rice, with some soy sauce, maybe some honey, some hoisin, some, I don't know, sriracha. I don't know. So let me show you how I do it. I think you'll like it. Okay, so welcome to my very not glamorous cooking show. So we take cornflakes and we put them in a plastic bag. I need 2 plastic bags because these are quite small. And then what you do is you take, I use like a potato masher for potatoes, and I just start. I know people from like Italy or Japan or India, places where you have such amazing cooking. I bet you're watching this and going, British people. So I'm currently crushing or smashing, smashing English. I am crushing the cornflakes. Right, so now I have made a total mess. I'm going to put the crushed cornflakes into a bowl. We'll just put them in there. There we go. Now I need another bowl with flour in it, just plain flour. Where's my plain flour? There it is. So we've got that, and I also need a bowl for the eggs because nothing will stick if we don't have eggs. And we're going to crack them into this bowl. Oh dear. Crack the other egg. Lovely. Shells in the bin. Now I need my whisk. So the noun is a whisk, but we also use it as a verb, to whisk. So right now I am whisking the egg with a whisk. So the plan is we're going to take the chicken, we're going to coat it in flour, then coat it in egg, and then coat it in the cornflake crumbs. And then we're going to put it into the air fryer so that it fries without oil. So we coat it in the flour, then in the egg. La-di-da-di-da. There we go. And we put it straight in the air fryer. Next up, let's go. Lots of salt and pepper. So it's looking like that. See, that looks like fried chicken. Then we're gonna put it into the air fryer. Okay, while that's cooking, I need to make a sauce. So my sauce is going to be soy sauce, boop, then a little bit of sesame oil, then a lot of honey. I love honey. I think it's so nice. Oh, and some hoisin sauce. Put that in there. And then a tiny bit, because it's quite spicy, a tiny bit of sriracha, of hot sauce. Then we need to mix it all up. Mix it up. Okay, the chicken's cooking. I've made the sauce. Now I need to fry some rice. And I actually boiled some rice earlier because I'm very prepared. So I already have some rice. So I'm just gonna fry some rice, put some vegetables in there, make it taste good, and bon appetit. I'm very excited. It tastes really good. You know, don't judge it. Do you like it?
So, I haven't tried it yet, but it seems very nice.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please press subscribe. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know what you want to see and I will make them.
It's very nice.
Woohoo! Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!